Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, The Moonlit Grimoire. My name is River, I'm a solitary Wiccan, and this is a channel where you can learn about anything witchcraft. If you read the title of this video, then that's right. Today we're doing an unboxing of Goddess Provisions. So, not only is this video an unboxing, but it's also an announcement. I'd like to let everyone know that Goddess Provisions has decided to discontinue their Goddess Provisions subscription boxes. My subscription ends in November, so we'll have a box for October, which we're opening today, a box for November, and after that, that is it. For anyone who subscribes to Goddess Provisions, just know that if you're just now getting into it, you'll be getting boxes full of past things that they have given out before, so there won't be any more new ones. If you'd like to leave a comment for this video to let me know of other subscription boxes that you've heard of that you would like to see, go ahead and comment the name of it. You're welcome to write some kind of things that they may contain. Several ones that I've heard of that are pretty popular would be Sugar Muses, Witchbox UK, and Witch Casket. But there are other ones as well, and I'd like to hear about ones that maybe perhaps I haven't seen before. I'm going to take everyone's thoughts into consideration, and then I'll do another announcement video after my Goddess Provisions subscription has finally ended. And then I'm going to do another video that's going to be an announcement for what boxes I decide to go with. It may be one box or several, depending on the prices. Alright, let's get into that box. This is the Goddess Provisions box for October. It's called the Fire of Transformation box. I am super excited for this one because it's that time in the circle of the year for Samhain. Wow, that's cool. Embrace transformation. I'm not going to open this because this is going to reveal everything that's in the box. But look at those vibrant colors. It pops. Got a Viceroy on there. That's not a monarch. I'm gonna open this one first because it looks like we got some stick incense. There's 40 of them. It's Greater Cardamom, Juniper, Salt Dupe, I'm not familiar with that, and Lemongrass. It's more handmade in Nepal. Last time I got these out of a Goddess Provisions box, I was not very happy with the smell. So we'll sniff that at the end and see. But I love the box. It's super cute and it's recycled. Fire of Transformation. These are incense sticks. Now let's see what's in this. Some kind of cloth. Oh. Oh, it's a lunar calendar. That is cute. So it's for 2024. It's a lunar calendar, and it shows you what phases of the moon on what dates and what house the moon is in. A little bit of astrology there. Oh, it even tells you equinoxes and solstices. Important for our Sabbats. Handmade in Bali. It said it was made with crystal-infused ink. That's interesting. That's beautiful. I'm going to lay that right there. This one says, Ethereal Embers, color magic ignites my practice. Oh, wow. Here's something. Let's open that up. I assume they're all the same. So it's a 10-gram packet that contains cupric sulfate, polyvinyl chloride, calcium carbonate, cupric chloride. Okay, so I guess when you burn it, it turns colors. Ethereal Embers. Adds vibrant colors to fire up to 10 minutes. Ooh. Instructions say to place opened packet at the high point of any indoor or outdoor wood fire to be mesmerized by rainbow magic. I cannot talk today. Add additional packets as needed. That is so cool, and that totally in sync with the theme of the box, transformation of fire. Literally change that color. That is so cool, and I love how there's 3 of them. That way if I mess up the first time, I can try again. My brother-in-law actually invited me over for a bonfire in a few weeks, and I'm gonna bring that. I'm gonna show him that. It's my brother-in-law and my sister, and they're gonna love that. Rose cocoa mix. Ooh, we got some chocolate. I love that stag. Look at him, he's cute. So we got some hot cocoa. It's getting chillier outside. Good time for that. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce that. It says Ayurveda, Vida, Ayurveda, Ayurveda. Well, it means life and knowledge. It's the ancient science of well-being. We bring it to you in the form of versatile, clean, and delicious drinking chocolate. This is 100% Ecuadorian cocoa mix. It's slightly sweetened with cocoa sugar. For extra sweetness, add a sweetener of your choice. That's so neat. Got some nutrition facts. And look at that. It's all natural. That's why it's called rose gardenium essential oil. I'm going to save that for this winter. That's going to be cool. I'm going to share that with my boyfriend. We're going to try that this winter. Well, you can't see the other things I put aside. There we go. Yeah, I'm kind of zoomed in today. Maybe I should have zoomed out a bit. Let's see what's here. Looks like a crystal. That looks like hematite to me. Yeah, I want to say it's either hematite or maybe, I don't think it's garnet, but it's quite sparkly. And it has like a slight pinkish reddish hue to it. I don't want to say it's a garnet. My guess is hematite. So I'm going to guess, I'm sticking with hematite for now. Fascinating. This is a big bag in here. Oh, it's kind of hefty. Do you think it's a book? I'm so hoping it's a book. Oh shoot, there was a backside. Okay, Mystical Musing, Divination Diary. Okay, it is a book, but it's a diary. Made with vegan leather, quartz, and crystal. Ooh. These pages are filled with magic. Oh, wow. Be careful not to scuff it. Oh, wow. I love this. Holy cow. I love this. God, this is gorgeous. That is so cute. Nice. That is beautiful. I'm definitely using that, but I have no idea what for just yet. I have a book that I absolutely love from my Book of Shadows, but this kind of reminds me of it. I'll show a picture. This is gorgeous. Where do I put you? Okay. Right there. So far, loving this box. All right, let's open up those incense sticks and see how they smell. It says, I rise from the ashes of my past self and align with my true purpose. This incense we handcrafted with love in Nepal using ancient Buddhist techniques. It's good for gentle aromatherapy, non-toxic and natural. Each stick burns approximately 30 minutes, keeping a dry place free from moisture. Let's see how they smell. Those ones smell good. Wow, it's a very woodsy smell. How do I explain that? It's very faint. It's not super potent. The last ones that I had, I'll be honest, they smelled absolutely terrible. These ones though, honestly, I can sniff the whole thing at once, and it smells so good. That is a very woodsy smell. It's not like cedar. It's like more of a pine, a more subtle pine. That smells good. Since it's got lemongrass in it though, I'm gonna have to make sure I burn it outside. My kitty cannot handle lemongrass. Okay, I'm not disappointed. God's Provisions only has a few boxes left for this year, and then they're actually done for good. This box and the one before it, I have not been disappointed. These are fantastic. Some nice hot cocoa, ready for next year. Honestly, I'm probably gonna light these incenses for in bulk. But this one, in a few weeks, trying this out. I'll make a video of it and I'll post it, either on the channel or on the Instagram page. I will show you what that will look like. Let's set everything up. There we go. Okay, let's see what we got. So for the Fires of Transformation box, we have the Seed of Creation 2024 Lunar Calendar. It says, seize every manifesting moment with our lunar calendar. Crafted with crystal-infused ink, it invites the enchanting magic of the moon and crystals into your sacred space. That is an $18 value. And there's a coupon code here to save 21% at this Etsy shop that made it. It's only valid until Samhain, so use that coupon. See if you can. This one is the Stupa Incense Fire of Transformation. Oh yeah, calendar. And now we're talking about this. So it's the Stupa Incense Fire of Transformation short stick incense. So they're shorter than the other ones. The other ones were actually rope incense. These ones are stick incense. It says, kindle the fire of transformation with our short stick incense. Elevate your space and ignite positive change with every fragrant wisp of this handmade incense. That's a $15 value. Oh, and it shows it came with a stand to hold the incense. I'll have to look in the box to make sure it did. If not, I have holders. Next one up is the Ethereal Embers. It says, transform your rituals with ethereal embers. I can't say that. With ethereal embers. Add vibrant colors to your fires and infuse your spells with magic. Bonus, comes with 3 packets for more fire color magic. I love that there's 3 of them. That's fantastic. That's a $10 value. The Mystical Musings Divination Diary. Fantastic. Honestly, if that was the only thing in this box, I would still be happy. That is a $25 value. And it says, unleash your inner mystic and let your dreams and desires take flight in this vegan leather notebook embellished with a clear quartz stone. Honestly, it looks so much like moonstone. And it is a hematite. Our crystal is hematite. Hematite, however you want to pronounce it. However it is pronounced. Feel free to correct me. Hematite, I'm going to call it. It says, ground yourself with the power of hematite. Channel its energies to find balance and strength in your daily life. Strong like a flame. I love how they included that. Fantastic. That is a $5 value. And the Aura Cocoa or Elements Truffles Hot Chocolate. So apparently there were multiple ones I could have gotten. I got the hot cocoa one, but there were 2 others I could have gotten as well. And it says, indulge in a rich and celebratory experience of ethically sourced fair trade cocoa, no matter which of these decadent, transformative drinks you receive. Aura Cocoa Aura Canned Spice, a blend of cocoa, cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, and cayenne is one option. I'm glad I didn't get that one. I can't handle spices, not strong spices. Aura Cocoa Mystical Mushroom, a blend of cocoa and 12 mushroom varieties. So only my close friends know this. I have an absolute fear of mushrooms. Being a logical scientist that I am, I'm still terrified of them. And that's terribly irrational. And it's not mushrooms, it's the fungi family. Anyway, Elements Truffle Rose Hot Chocolate, a blend of rich chocolate flakes and rose petals. That's the one that I got, and I'm super excited about that one. It's a $5 value. Honestly, they sent me the best one of the 3 that I can handle. I'm sure plenty of you out there would have loved the other 2, but I think that one is probably my favorite. And that was this one right here. Over here, they got some planners, gorgeous planners. And if anyone's interested in those, you can check it out on this website here. And that is everything. Embrace transformation. Absolutely. This box was fantastic. I loved every minute of it. Well, that was fun as usual. I love opening subscription boxes. It's going to be sad to see Goddess Provisions leave our channel, but that's okay. And for the rest of you, thank you so much for joining me. May your future be bright and guided by the stars. Blessed be.